Ready to level up your Google Play experience with the ultimate prepaid power-up? Today, we're diving into how to use your Paysafecard on Google Play, turning that little piece of plastic into awesome apps, games, and more. First, make sure you have your Paysafecard handy. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android device and tap on your profile icon, usually located at the top right corner of the screen. This opens a menu now. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the list of options. Next, tap on Payment Methods. This is where you'll add your Paysafecard. On the Payment Methods screen, find and select Redeem Gift Code even though it says Gift Code. This is also where you'll redeem your Paysafecard. Now, carefully enter the 16-digit PIN code located on the back of your Paysafecard. Make sure you scratch off the protective layer first. If necessary, double-check the code before you hit the Redeem button. Tap Redeem. You should now see a confirmation message showing your Paysafecard balance being added to your Google Play balance. Now for the fun part. Browse the Google Play Store and find the app, game, or digital content you want to buy. When you proceed to purchase, your Google Play balance will be automatically used. If the item costs more than your balance, you'll need to add another payment method or redeem another Paysafecard. And that's it. Your purchase is complete, secure, and totally convenient. Enjoy your new apps and games powered by Paysafecard.